Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Black Decker portable air conditioner not cooling. If your portable air conditioner not cooling, then you have few options to consider. These are the possible remedies for that. First, make sure all the windows and the doors are closed. Second, remove the heat source if possible. Third, connect the duct and make sure it can function properly. The another option is to decrease the set temperature. The another option is to clean the air filter. The another option, a microprocessor control delay the compressor from operating until 3 minutes have passed. And you have another option to reset your air cooler. For that, unplug the cooler and leave the cooler about 30 to 40 minutes. After 30 to 40 minutes, plug it back in. Then you will need to see your problem is fixed or not. If you find your problem still not fixed, you also have an option to contact the customer support of your air cooler. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.